I am Serge and welcome back to our YouTube music vlog here at the Nostalgia channel, where we bring back the memories. Great day to all of you. Before we start, I would just like to thank all our subscribers. Thank you for supporting our Nostalgia channel. Our theme this week is on Songs of Chris, and Chris is of course the Grammy award-winning American singer-songwriter Christopher Cross. For me, our next song is one of the greatest songs ever performed and written. From 1980, it's called Sailing.
Not far down to paradise, at least it's not foamy. And if the wind is right, you can sail away and find tranquility. Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. Believe me, it's not far to Never Never Land. Reason to pretend, and if the wind is right, you can find the joy of innocence again. Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. Believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it.
I feel a sense of tranquility every time I hear this beautiful song. Whenever I hear this song, it's a form of emotional escape for me. It clears my mind and it gives me a sense of freedom. You know, that majestic orchestration just brings you to paradise. It gives you a sense of peace. This song has been widely referred to as soft rock or yacht rock. Christopher said that this song was inspired by his sailing trips as a young boy in Texas with an older friend from high school, Al Glasscock, who functioned as a surrogate older brother when he was experiencing emotional difficulties. Such is the healing power of brotherhood and friendship. I believe Chris and Al had that spiritual connection.
Every word is a symphony, won't you believe me? Sailing takes me away to where I've always heard it. Just a dream of the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free.
You know, that instrumental part with the piano just gets me all the time. The piano has never sounded so comforting and serene as this one. It's really such a memorable instrumental part. You know, there's a line in Sailing which says, "Oh, the canvas can do miracles, just you wait and see. Believe me." Aside from the literal meaning of the song, which is about sailing, that particular portion on the canvas has a deeper meaning. The use of the canvas is about art, since it refers to a painting, and art reflects, mirrors, and imitates life. And this song expresses the transformative power of art.
Well, it's not far back to Santa Cruz. is right, you can sail away, find serenity. Oh, the canvas can do miracles. Just you wait and see, then you believe me. Sailing takes me away to where I've always needed to be. Just a dream of the wind to carry me. Soon I will be free.
What a great song, Sailing by Christopher Cross. And this song indeed has the power to move you. Credits of course to Christopher Cross for vocals, electric guitar and arrangements, Andy Salmon for bass, Michael Omartian for acoustic piano and arrangement, Rob Meurer for electric piano and arrangement, Victor Feldman for percussion, and Tommy Taylor for drums. I'm embracing the wonderful talents of these people for bringing us this amazing landmark song, Sailing. This song was a huge success in the United States. It hit #1 on the Billboard Hot 100. Aside from being a commercial success, the song was also a critical success. It won the Grammy for Record of the Year, Song of the Year, and Best New Artist of the Year for Christopher Cross. One of the greatest songs of all time, Sailing by the amazing Christopher Cross. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. As Casey Kasem said, keep your feet to the ground and keep reaching for the stars. Let's bring back the memories here at the Nostalgia Channel. Thank you and God bless.